So here we are. Okay, remember, once we open the script I gave you, with just clicking and probably RStudio suggested over the right button of your mouse, you will find RStudio, select it, open with RStudio. You will find here the script. To run the script, you just have to do run, this button here. However, before than that, you have to install the package Counterpart. Be careful, must be in repository run, then type Counterpart. As you see, here give you two programs. You select this, because it's safer to avoid typing error, and do install. Then the installing process will start here, you will see. You have to wait it finish. Once a symbol of stop here will disappear, and this symbol will appear here after process finish. So go back with your cursor in front of library. Library is to load the program, because RStudio do not read automatically the program. Every session you start, you have to load the program. So we just do run. As you see, do you see the stop symbol? I wait, don't touch anything until it goes, because R easily gets stuck. It's quite heavy and slow as a program. So now it's taking some time. In the while, I can tell you that as you see there is hash here, choose the working directory. So here I suggest you what you have to do the next step, or next I will write. Here I say you set ud choose directory. As you see there is not this symbol. So this is just something I'm suggesting. After this, in the same row, I can write whatever I wish. Here is a script. So if you make any single mistake, you will get error. So be careful. Here you can write whatever. Here must be the script. But when you want to run this script, you can even put the cursor here. Doesn't matter. Run. Okay, now you don't see the window, but you see stop. Probably the browse should be browsed here, but as you see here, if it's not here, it's here. If it's not here, you just reduce the icon R and you will find the window open, where you can select where is it. So sorry, I'm a bit far from the place. Dealing with camera up data, and I select this one, the folder output, because later I want directly my file will be saved here. So don't get in, just select the folder where you want to put it. I create this, you can create as well. Select folder. Okay, now he knows that anytime I have to load the file, starting from that folder, when something must be downloaded, go to that folder. So load all sampling image by the script. I did choose there. So again, run. No, run is wrong here. Wait, the cursor got to the correct place. Wait, as I say, R is a little slow, unfortunately. Little too much, so. Okay. So now I run. Again, this time, as you see, it give me outputs, which is the folder, but I go a bit farther this time. And then in the data to download, I select the folder you have, S1. Remember, here we have all the Camera Trap sites folder inside, and in each site folders, all the species folder. But I don't get in here. I select this S1, which must be exactly like this subdivision. Inside the site folder, species folder. Not other subfolder, not other folder up. So I select S1, don't get in, select the folder. I will load all the images inside. That obviously are few, but generally many. So now you see this script, which is the record table. From this we will get the so-called mother table, mother matrix. As you see, here the switch directory is view the images raw. The directory is where the images are, and then other important notes that you can look for is mean delta time, which means I say 15 minutes within two photos of the same species at the same sites. Why? Because I want only independent elements in that table. 15 minutes is generally the minimum for independent elements for the species. We don't want to get 50 photos of Argali in front of the camera is grazing, but only one photo in 25 minutes of that Argali. So what we do? We say take at least 15 minutes before they get another photo in my table of the Argali that's in there. Okay? Actually, this is a set for carnivores. For herbivores, you can put 30, so on. So let's put 15, and then write the CSV, and then where it must be in the in this folder, data to load, blah blah. I give all the stuff. So careful, because this one is in my computer. In your computer, you have to write the path, the location where you want it. How? Go to your folder, click with the right button, and go to property. We'll find the property here. Then copy the path location, paste here, and change only this symbol. You will find it like this. I will give you error, and then put in this direction. That's it. So avoid this error here. Then now we'll try to run it and see what happened. There's only not specified, it's fine. In this case, we are not conducting this analysis. And then now it's reading all our images, producing the table, which will be a small, very small table. Didn't give me any error. So what happened? If now I go to my output, the folder is strangely empty. Okay, something went wrong, as usually happened in this case. Okay, I don't know why it gives it here. Okay, it gave me the table in this folder. We will understand why, but this is a good case because it maps also to you. You set a folder, and okay, no, nothing, just no. I did a mistake. I set a folder. Yes, it's true, but I saved in another folder, probably. So that can happen that you believe that is in a folder, you don't find it, get this pattern. Claudio, I didn't get it. No, search just the folder above, and probably you will find. I will get something like this, precisely like this. So let's extend everything that we can see it better. Well, here we are. As you see, we have just a progressive number we can delete later. Session name, I call the site F01, F02, F01, and then you give the species name, but with independent detection element. So if I get Tocodona daurica, let's say we had it in 15 minutes, many photos, you get only one. Okay, only one detection. So write date and time original in this format, which is useful for SEC, for instance, that use this format for date and time, or separate column, which is useful for most of the analysis. The species name is the same you wrote in the subfolder when you prepared the data. You did sampling, you did the name of the SD sites as a subfolder, and in each one the name of the species. If you write it wrongly, here will be wrong. So be careful how you write the name of the species. Scientific name is better. And then here there is a difference of time between the photos and the events and the previous one. So it's useful, but not okay. We can use in some specific time. The directory where you save it, the file name, we give a nomenclature code, and the number of image if you have multi-shot for that image. This is the mother matrix we can use. Generally, we go to use mostly only this column, selecting this kind of format or this kind of format for date and time. So let's see now in R if it's going to read it. We just open it at this point. Okay, as I told you, don't appear any window. Now, yeah, it appeared. And this time I go to output because I believe to save it here, but it was actually here. So I open it and head it to see if it is correctly read by R. Obviously, R produced it. Obviously, I will read well, but anyway, we go here. Head will show the first 6 row. Which is correct because yeah, you now see this is the first, the second, the third, the fourth. Where is it? Yeah, okay, it's correct. Unfortunately, I cannot adapt to the window here to the console, so you see also text under the column, but yeah, it is correct. Sometimes you can have an incorrect visualization of .csv file because separator are not identified by R. So in that case, if you see some comma between the columns, the only thing you must do is comma sep equal this one and then just hit. In that way, that you run, and you will see that your file will be visualized correctly. So that's it. We got our matrix table. From there, we will do everything else. See you next. Bye.